In this video, we're going to look at the basics of how to work with Celum Content Collaboration. Celum combines content proofing with a task management solution at scale. It is made for marketers and creators who want to get things done in a secure and compliant environment. To get started, let's talk about lists. Lists are meant to reflect your team's workflow and show you in which stage a task is currently in. Presently, we are looking at a workroom created by the marketing team of a manufacturing company. They hired an external photographer for a photo shoot and now want to select and approve photos for the company presentation. For this particular use case, we set up an automation through Celum Robots. The photographer uploaded all his images, and for each media file a new task was created automatically. Now the team can make the first selection by simply moving the task to the next stage. If you open one of the task tiles, you can set a due date, the priority of the task, or who should be responsible. You can also break down the task into subtasks or connect several tasks. On the right sidebar, you'll find a complete activity stream of what happened within this task. For important tasks, you can generate asset reports for traceability. Let's turn back to the workroom overview. To streamline their work even more, our company set up workflow rules. Workflow rules allow them to decide who can move a task forward or push it back. In this menu, you can also invite new members to the workroom. You decide who is a moderator, contributor, or just a visitor who can only access specific tasks. In Celum, you have a visual tool to mark where a change is needed. This works not only for images but also for videos, documents, and audio files. Versioning allows you to easily view the progress of any file and revert changes if necessary. You can also compare different versions of one file in the review process. Lastly, let's look at our personal dashboard. On the right side, you can see all the tasks assigned to you, and on the left, all the workrooms you are part of. You can organize all your workflows in groups. If you're a marketer or content creator, you'll love Celum. Why not give it a try?